Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream cheese dip for fruit. First, gather your ingredients. Softened cream cheese, a sweetener like powdered sugar or maple syrup, and any flavorings you desire, such as vanilla extract. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. This makes it much easier to blend smoothly. Having everything ready ensures a quick and easy preparation process for your delicious dip. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your softened cream cheese with your chosen sweetener. Use an electric mixer or a whisk to blend these together until they are light and fluffy. Next, incorporate your flavorings, like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon. Continue mixing until the dip is completely smooth, with no lumps remaining. The beauty of this dip is its versatility. You can easily customize the flavor. For a warm, comforting taste, add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or a dash of nutmeg. If you love chocolate, mix in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. For a zesty kick, try adding the zest of 1 lemon or orange or a few drops of almond extract. Experiment to find your favorite combination. Once your dip is mixed, cover it and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld and the dip to firm up slightly. Serve your delightful cream cheese dip with an assortment of fresh fruits like strawberries, apple slices, grapes, or melon. Any leftover dip can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next snack.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.